Hey, this is the old Florida boy with the old Florida boy. So, Florida boy, how you been?
I've been real good. How you been?
I've been real good. It's about time we get out and do another Canteen Cup Tuesday.
Yes, it is.
All right, let's get this show on the road.
Something in the water that's calling my name.
All right, here we go on Canteen Cup Tuesday. Decided to wimp out because I'm out of ideas, so I had to come to Publix to get some stuff anyway. Plus, I'm a little hungover because me and Mrs. Florida Boy were drinking a little bit last night. So I'm gonna test out some things for some nice little trail food that I've been looking at for a while. So I'm gonna take you over to that aisle. I'll be right back. This is really cool. They're cranking Jackson Brown running on empty in the grocery store. Let's see. This is what I was looking for. Alright, I'm gonna get Barilla. Those are kind of big. Dinty Moore beef stew. Yeesh. Hormel Completes. Let's see. Choices. How about something I can heat up in my Canteen Cup? How about a beefy mac and chicken and noodles? All right. God, $2.39. Publix is losing it to track. All right, I'm gonna take these back and get them going. All right, here we go. Back on the workbench of death. I settled on two of the chicken and noodles because I didn't think I wanted to. This don't look very big. I think I'm gonna have to have two of them to fill up the Canteen Cup. I don't know how I'm gonna cook it. It says microwave it for 60 seconds, so anything that you have to microwave for 60 seconds is pretty much cooked anyway. So I've seen some people stick them in boiling water, but if I boil water in the Canteen Cup and then I put this in the Canteen Cup, it don't fit too good. It's not gonna fit like that. I'm gonna have to fit like that. That's kind of stupid. So I'm just gonna empty this out, pour it in a Canteen Cup, cook it, and heat it up, and then we're gonna see. But 7.5 ounces, 6 grams of fat, 850 milligrams of sodium. All right, this is good till 4/24/19. So we got another little over a year shelf life. All right, so I'm gonna go heat it up, and it's if you want to do that, that's what the top looks like. You can see some of the little veggies and stuff. Yeah, it'll be all right. So this is pretty flat. You could pack a bunch of these in your pack and just stop and heat them up. Just exactly what I'm gonna do. So, all right, I'm gonna get out my Lixada stove and take it in the back, and we're gonna roll. So, be right back. Okay, so here we are. We're gonna assume that we're bopping along the trail, and we got our little Hormel Completes, and it's time for lunch. Let's see just how much this is gonna make in the Canteen Cup. So, all right. So now we're out here. All right, here we go. And remember, this is probably already cooked. Yummy. Ugh. It don't taste too good not cooked. Alright, so we're just going to transfer it from here to there. Oops, I dropped the P. Okay, now, as I thought, that doesn't make too much. Okay, so we're going to do this other one too. Alright, we're just going to dump this other one in here. Might have to put a little water with that because it's a little thick. So, yeah, that's going to be good. Alright, I'm going to go get the stove started, get a little water in there. So I'll be right back. Okay, we got the stove lit. You'll notice I got my little pieces of hanger wire going across. Man, that really helps to support the canteen cup. And I didn't put in the top shelf. I wanted to keep the burner just a little bit farther away from the canteen cup because I don't want to, you know, this thing becomes a flash furnace, for Christ's sake. I don't want to scorch my Hormel Complete. I just want to warm it up. So here's our Hormel Complete. Alright, that's going on fire. It's a little thick, so I gotta add a little water. Man, it's really thick. I'm gonna add more water. Okay. This is gonna be like chicken noodle soup, I think. I think that's gonna be hot enough. Alright. Be back with you shortly. Alright, so we got a little bubbles in there. We got a little steam. Don't forget your glove because that is hot. That's not looking too bad. Alright. Been cooking about 3-4 minutes. I'm going to warm it right up. And then warm it up. And then we'll get it over to the table. So here we go. Alright, here we go. Back from the fire. Nice. So this only took about, I don't know, 5 minutes to heat up, you know, a little ounce of alcohol. So if you were bopping along the trail, this is a pretty good alternative to taking along a bunch of ingredients and stopping to fix a whole bunch of stuff. You know, you throw these right in your pack, you don't have to refrigerate them or anything. So let's take a look. All right, we got her here. Doesn't look bad. All right, it's a little bland, which is why can't forget this. A little bit of cheese. All right. And it's probably going to be still bland, so gotta remember that. All right. Ooh, I dropped some cheese. We will waste no cheese, as Cheesehead Chris says. Just a drop of hot sauce. All right. All right. Just a drop. Now, we got to top it off. It's awesome. That's good. Here we go. All right, let's try this. Wow. You can definitely taste the hot sauce. Hormel Completes. The chicken and noodles, you know, kind of high sodium content, but you know, if you were, it's getting into summer, if you were running along a trail and you were sweating, you know, this would help bring you back. But a couple of the chicken noodles, it's got some chicken and some peas, and I think it's got some bell peppers in it, and of course the noodles. Now the cheese is melting up, so it's getting good. This actually, with the cheese and the hot sauce, it actually ain't bad. But you need to do 2 of them because one of them, you know, the 7.5 ounces It's really not too much. And plus, anything that's ready in 60 seconds in the microwave, it's already cooked. So all you're doing basically is warming it up. So cheers, guys. Let's see some Canteen Cup Tuesdays. This is kind of a double. It's Canteen Cup Tuesday, and it's kind of a review of the Hormel Completes, because I did the Pace Ready meals and the Prego Ready meals and the Ship Boyardee big bowls a while back. But I wanted to try those. So it's a pretty good alternative to taking along a bunch of ingredients with you on the trail. No refrigeration needed. Now, if I could just figure out how to keep my beer cold on the trail, we'd be set. Remember, on the left-hand side of the screen, you're going to see some suggested videos. In the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see my subscription box. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I answer all comments. You can share it, too. Once again, on Canteen Cup Tuesday, this is Matt, the old Florida boy, saying, I'm going to see you on trail.